guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damaris and I am a wife and a mom to two littles. My eldest Amari, he is 7 years old, and I just had a daughter Dahlia that was born 6 weeks ago. So this is a crazy busy house. The mess keeps on coming, but we're trying to make the best of it and clean as we go, although sometimes there are messes that are days and weeks old, and hey, no judgment here. This is a safe space. So here on my channel, what I'm hoping to do is create a community for anybody who feels that they got things they need to do but they haven't done yet. Oh, and that's my little you're hearing in the background. She's just nursing next to me. But yeah, anyway, I'm just hoping to create a safe space, a welcoming community for people to just kind of try and get their lives together. This is for people who haven't got their lives together, and that is okay. So I hope you enjoy these videos. I do hope you'll like, share, and subscribe, and keep coming back for more, because there'll be so much content. As like I said, my house is constantly a work in progress. So I hope you join me and everybody else here, and thank you so much for stopping by.
Reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me.
So for this video, we actually didn't have a whole lot to do. It was just the dishes. We had been cleaning the house, and I didn't get it on camera because I hadn't decided whether I was going to move forward with this channel or not. So we actually did just get the dishes done, but it is a lot of dishes, my goodness. And the funny part, or the sad part, is that this isn't actually as much dishes as I do. This is just one of the times I'm doing dishes today. This is probably the first time I'm doing dishes today, and there's gonna be 3 or 4 more times. And sometimes I actually just don't do dishes at all. That is shameful, but it is the truth. So today was a light dish day, believe it or not. But just gonna hand wash these, and I like to air dry my dishes. So in this channel, you will absolutely not see me towel drying dishes unless I want to cook or I need that dish that I just washed right away. But pretty much I usually just hand wash all my dishes and let them air dry. And that's kind of what works for me. Yeah, it's lazy, but also I sometimes don't have the extra time to stand there and dry the dishes because my attention is being demanded in so many different directions.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight.
I'm also bringing in some pots and pans that they were behind me on the stove, and these are actually from last night's dinner and some from this morning's breakfast. So when I said that I don't always do dishes, I was being very, very truthful. So that's why there's so many pots and pans, because these are from last night's supper and this morning's breakfast.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've done? 'Cause
Here I am just gonna clean out my sink. Most of what you actually saw in there is ginger. My son wasn't feeling well, and so I had boiled some ginger and put some honey in it, and he really that really helps him, you know. It helps with his cough and kind of helps him feel a little better when he's got a cold. So that was mostly ginger, and my little compost bin there in my city here in Alberta. We actually do compost, and so just gonna clean that up and then tidy up the sink. But my goodness, that pile of dishes is so satisfying, and it feels so good once the dishes are done. But of course, as I was walking around the house, I found a bunch more, and so my sink was not actually empty for too much longer. Pretty much as soon as I left the kitchen, I went and I found some more dishes elsewhere, but that is a problem for later. For now, this kitchen is clean, and it felt so good for the 2 minutes that it was clean. But I'm also wondering, how many of you air dry your dishes or towel dry them? Let me know in the comment below. I want to see what kind of split there is between people who hand wash and air dry, or hand wash and towel dry their dishes. So let me know in the comments below.
Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you my vaccine. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the.
To clean my counters, I am just using my Branch Basics all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and this is gonna round out my dishes. I always finish doing the dishes with cleaning the counters, and so we have made it to the end, and I really appreciate each one of you for being here and for choosing to spend your time with me. And I know we're all busy, so I really appreciate that. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing for more content such as this. And it was such a pleasure to have you guys, and I hope we'll be seeing you again. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and comment below letting me know whether you air dry or towel dry your dishes. That is everything for today, and I hope you guys have a really fantastic day. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do what you can do, and that is all right. As long as you get one space clean, the rest can happen later, or even it can wait, and there is no guilt or shame about that. So have a good day, you guys, and thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah.